Hello, it is I, and welcome to the 10 Cars 1 Hour Challenge, the series where I drive through various different towns and cities around the UK to hunt for 10 remotely interesting cars in the space of an hour. Wait, what's the rules? Once I see a nice car I want to lock in, I'll ring my bell, and once I ring the bell for the 10th time, I stop the count. Also, I'm allowed to pick just one car from a dealership if it is parked outside. Then at the end, we add up the retail price of those 10 cars to see how expensive we can make the list. You got it? Good. Now let's get into this video. So we are in Stotfold, home to Victoria Pendleton, and I don't know what else is in Stotfold, but we have a passenger.
Hello.
To guide me through Stotfold. But yeah, let's go car spotting. What the hell is that building?
Oh, that one's water tower.
Oh jeez, you guys have some posh things over there, man. I just wasted like 5 minutes trying to do a U-turn there. Mustang! Oh, where's my bell? Where's my bell?
Oh, no, the bell.
Thank you. I just thanked him for just existing. There's the bell. You can have bell pressing duties.
Yeah.
No homo. Yes.
If we go up, I think it's the next one on the left. Oh, there's the Range Rover SVR. Could I?
Oh, SVR. Yeah, bell that. Nice. Okay,
Yeah.
you can't probably see it, but it's in front of the TT. There's the SVR proof. And it has a carbon bonnet. Oh, that's a Morgan one.
Oh yes, here we go.
Nice. What's that? Ding that.
All of those.
One of those. We'll find out what the most expensive one is.
Oh, hold on. There's a DB9. Doing that. And
Oh
Vantage
Jesus!
there. Double D.
I haven't seen the Vantage. I need to turn around for.
That's alright. Yeah.
I didn't see that
there.
DB9. What Vantage was it?
It was the new shape Vantage.
Is that an S2000?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Do we think that?
No, they're not expensive. I love those though.
They are properly cool. Here. Ding again.
Oh, there it is.
For the video.
I saw that. You can go. You can go.
Okay. This is the Morgans again.
Nice. Cayenne. Yanamais?
Yeah.
It looks weird with stock wheels.
Yeah.
And a wrap.
Used to have the huge gold wheels.
Oh, I don't see those at all. There's a screen advertisement thing.
That's odd. It should be just there, and it is.
Oh, that's so weird to see and so local.
It
Signet.
just appeared out of nowhere. This Astra is
Disgusting.
brave. Yeah,
Brave.
This one here, no, E36.
There's one there. Is that an M3?
No.
It's been a while since I've been here. Jesus shit. Okay.
Oh,
Supra. I want to drive through there, show the people there's a white one. Suicidal bird. Suicidal bird. Suicidal bird. Suicide. It did not fly.
Oh, that's an E93 M3.
Oh yeah, convertible. I love convertible BMWs.
That one's loud actually. Carwow TV, if you're watching, pretty sure that's you.
M140i there.
Oh, do we think
A grey one. No. Is that RS7 wheels on the TT?
I'm not sure actually. They look
like
very similar. I don't know if they come on the TT as well or not.
Oh, there's a GT86 Model 3
Model 3
without the hubcap things.
And here's the
Supra. Defender as well behind. Do not follow sat nav. What? I feel so awkward when I drive with the GoPro on my head near mums.
Oh,
Which like I
can understand.
F-Type. I had a bit of a stutter there. Look at the wheels.
There's the Model X 100D. Do we ding for that?
Yes, ding for that. Oh, this is the poshest Tesco's I've... Actually no, Tesco Bulldog is very posh.
It is actually.
I like the VX220.
Me too. Especially a turbo.
Is that woman looking at it?
Yeah. Oh, WRX STI. That's nice.
I don't really see those a lot in the UK.
No, you don't.
Very nice. Americans are probably looking at this like, oh, you see those everywhere.
No, we don't get a lot of those. Is that it? Oh.
Is it?
Oh no, it's the GoPro, I think.
Oh yeah. I don't think I started the timer, did I? Shit, I did not. Okay, I'll just edit it in.
Where this sort of reddish tree is in here. There it is.
Oh, there. Yeah.
This road on the right, go down this one. Hopefully there'll be some nice stuff down here. Cross Bay and it goes into Cashier Lane, I believe. Keep my eye out. We go forward. Ooh, 1754.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, it was a blue one.
Cool. Yeah.
Camera didn't see it.
Yeah, there it is.
Look at that.
MY20.
Try and get a good shot of that. And a Golf R. Okay. Turns out I wasn't recording. I wasn't timing it. So
1 hour complete. Into the studio.
But wait, before we carry on, did you know that over half of you guys watching have not subscribed? Yep, that's pretty embarrassing. So make sure to subscribe if you are enjoying this video. We're so close to 200k and any help would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you can hit 4,000 likes and I'll make much more of these real life videos. Anyways, into the video. Guess what happened? As soon as I stopped recording, BMW M3 and Aston Martin DBX were sold by me. So yep, those don't count, so in no particular order, these are the cars I spotted. First car we saw a V8 Ford Mustang. Now these cars aren't too expensive, they are pretty cool though, so we'll take 44 grand into account. Next car we saw an Aston Martin DB9, a first gen one, and they start at £125,000. And at the same time we saw the DB9, we also found a Vantage, and they start at £123,000. And then we saw the E93, I think, a convertible M3. They spelled convertible wrong in here. That's a joke. 56 grand, that's not too bad. Then we saw a Toyota Supra parked on someone's driveway. Pretty sure it was the 6-cylinder one, so I think 46 grand is for the 4-cylinder and this is for the 6-cylinder, so we're gonna take that price into account. And then we saw a Range Rover Sport SVR with a carbon bonnet. Well, and they start at £101,920. And then we went past the Morgan workshop. We did find a Morgan Roadster V6, I believe, and I found one on Amazon. And they start at £62,000. I mean, they don't start at that. This is a used car. 62 grand. Not too shabby. Next car, Elon Musk Tesla Model X. I don't think the camera picked it up, but Daniel saw it, and it is a £110,000 car. That's pretty expensive. And then we saw the car that's not too expensive, but it's very cool. It's an Aston Martin Signet, and it's a 30 grand car. And our final car was a Porsche Cayman 718 GT4, and they start at £75,000. So moment of truth, the total is £785,653. That's a lot of money. Did we beat the Hitchin one? I don't know. Oh, we beat it. Okay, not too bad, but that is the end of the video. Hope you lot did enjoy. If you didn't, that's a bit sad. Anyways, let me know what you thought of this little twist of adding a passenger into the car. Let me know if you want to see more passengers or if you want to see Daniel over and over again, because he's a very good car spotter. He's pretty much got a PhD in it. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. We are trying to hit 200k by the end of this year, so any help would be greatly appreciated. Also leave a comment down below, it helps out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll try and get to as many of you people as I can. Thank you very much, and I'll catch up with you guys very soon. Until next time, have a good one guys, stay safe, stay inside. Till next time. What am I doing? Cheers.
My dinero's what I'm out to get. Sombrero, I get hat and then I'm out again. Got an A1 Chica with a drive like a 3 litre. That's what she needs D for, like that.